अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने दावा किया है कि ईरान अब मुज़ाकरात कर रहा है और बेताबी से डील चाहता है। वॉशिंगटन में तकरीब से खिताब में ट्रंप ने कहा कि ईरानी क़यादत डील करना चाहती है लेकिन बोलने से डरती है। ईरानी क़यादत डील का बोलेगी तो अपने लोगों के हाथों मरेगी, इनकार किया तो हमारे हाथों मरेंगे। उन्होंने एक बार फिर कहा कि ईरान में अब ऐसा कोई नहीं जो सुप्रीम लीडर बनने के लिए तैयार हो। कहा, फेक न्यूज़ को देखें तो ऐसा लगता है कि अमेरिका जंग हार रहा है। ट्रंप ने एक बार फिर दुनिया भर में 8 जंगें रुकवाने का क्रेडिट ले लिया।
Winning so big, nobody's ever seen anything like we're doing in the Middle East with Iran. And they are negotiating, by the way, and they want to make a deal so badly, but they're afraid to say it because they figure they'll be killed by their own people. They're also afraid they'll be killed by us. There's never been a head of a country that wanted that job less than being the head of Iran. When I went on to do something that for 47 years should have been done by any of the other presidents, and you heard numerous of them said they wished they did it, but they didn't have the guts to do it. We had no choice, but I thought it would be much worse. I thought that the energy prices, oil price would go up higher. I thought the stock market would go somewhat lower, but it didn't matter to me. It's short term. What we had to do is get rid of the cancer. We had to cut out the cancer. The cancer was Iran with a nuclear weapon, and we've cut it out. Now we're going to finish it off.